Hi everybody. So I just installed the RENNTECH lowering module. So I thought I would send a video and give you my impression of what that's all about. I kind of did it mostly for handling reasons. I run the 19-inch wheels mainly for my quarter-mile times. They're a lot lighter, but the braking at high speed was a little sketchy. So the dealer recommended I install the lowering module, and I'm not really doing it for appearance, mostly for handling. But let me show you what they send. So here's what you get. So they actually have a nice package. So it comes in a box like that. Really simple instructions. And this just plugs into the OBD2 port. So once you plug that into the OBD2 port, it sets to the RENNTECH default settings, which is an inch low, and that's where it is now. You can also program it beyond that. I don't know if I will. I mean, you could really sit it down, but I don't want rubbing, and it definitely firms up the suspension. So I probably am just going to leave it like this. First driving impression is definitely stiffer, which is fine. I'd say that it feels like S mode, sport mode, feels like Sport Plus. So Sport Plus is a little harsher than that even, but I think it's fine. I haven't heard any rubbing or bottoming out or anything like that. I haven't driven it that much. Definitely improves the handling, cornering. Haven't tested the high-speed braking, so I can't really say about that. But really happy. I mean, I think it looks good. I mean, I like having it just a little bit lower. So I do think it looks good, but I think the handling is going to be a lot better. Yeah, so the one thing too, I was going to have the dealer do this. I'm sure they were going to charge a couple $100 to install it. It literally took, once you have the handheld plugged into the port, it literally is 5 seconds to update the software. And I think I did it. I think I opened the box and 15 minutes later I had it installed. So do it yourself if you're going to do it. I know it's pricey, but it's nice to know that it's a software change, and I can always put it back to stock if I want. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. But there you go. Pretty happy. I'd say it's not a cheap solution, but I'm feeling like it was worth it for me, for what I like to do. Happy. All right, thanks.